Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga's YouTube channel. My name's Kevin, so find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. On this video, I'm going to guide you through a short but hopefully effective meditation revolving around addiction. So come to a seat, either on the floor or a chair, maybe a couch. Just make sure you sit up tall, draw the shoulders back, hands to knees, eyes closed. Feel the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath in the nose, exhale out the mouth. Take two more. Slow, long, deep breaths. Taking a moment to recognize where you are, maybe what you're dealing with right now. Breathe in all that anxiety and stress you feel on what you're dealing with. Exhale it all out. One more time. Inhale all of the bad. Exhale, let it go. Now on your next inhale, think about all of the good things and the positive parts of your life. Exhale, let them sink a little bit deeper into your body. Inhaling all the good. Exhale, reinforcing all of the positive. Two more deep breaths. To realize or recognize what it is that you're dealing with, what it is that's affecting you. And just think, can I take the next hour and not engage in this type of activity? Can I wait an hour and then at the end of that hour, if the want is still there, can I wait another hour? And another, and another. Just take things in small bursts, small sets. When you get overexerted, not the exact word, but overcome with what it is that you deem negative in your life. And it doesn't have to be a physical addiction. It could be a mental addiction, or in modern society, addiction to the phone, addiction to television, to technology. Can you recognize it and take a step back, check in with your breath, and ask yourself the question, can I wait 1 hour before engaging in this activity? Maybe set a timer. And then when that hour comes and passes for the activity, can you sit for another hour or do something else for an hour? Or even just sit and focus on the breath. Inhale again, exhale out the mouth. Bringing hands to heart center. Bowing head to hands, recognizing all of the positive aspects to your life, remaining focused on those. I sincerely hope this helped and continues to help. Please comment below, let us know what you're dealing with and how we can help. Subscribe to the channel, new videos will be posted every Sunday. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.